First, you want to determine hoop size. If you have too much room around the logo, you'll get a lot of stretch happening, which will come back later on to haunt you. You want the logo to be as close as possible to the hoop. This is a good size for this logo. Now that we have determined proper hoop size, let's talk backing. 1 piece tearaway, 2 pieces of stabilizer. Stack the stabilizer on top of the tearaway, and then place it on the hoop. I use this formula, 2 stabilizers, 1 tearaway, to prevent potato chipping.